Hi everyone. Hope you guys are having good Sunday and enjoying lovely weather wherever you are. Okay, so I have come on live again. I had no plans, but I have come on live because again, couple of my mentees have collected their keys today and it's a proud moment again for me. So very, very well done again to Gloria and Solomon. I am absolutely, oh my God, I'm just so happy and I'm just so proud of you. Well done. I am really excited. I'm really excited. You both are so dedicated. That's absolutely amazing. I'm just over the moon for for your first victory, and this is again one of many. Hi Andra, thank you for coming on live. And what an amazing honestly, it's just so lovely to see people win. And I mean, what a dedicated couple, you both guys are, you both are, and just super proud of you. You followed everything, every step, and you've been so focused, and within, I think, just over a month, you've got your first deal. In fact, you got your deal a couple of weeks ago, but while we were sorting out contract and all that, it just took that long. Otherwise, I think you had your deal in less than a month. You've done amazingly well. You've done better than me. I never got my first deal for about 6 months. So I think you've done, not just I think, actually, I know you've done really well, and I'm really proud of you. So guys, if you are sitting on the fence, we have got so many examples, in our group. People are winning every single week, and this is definitely possible. We are all normal people. We have families, we have other jobs as well, and this is just, we start off as like our side hustle, as our second thing, and then eventually this property business just takes over, everything else. And that's exactly what happened. So if you guys are waiting and sitting on the fence, don't do it. Don't waste your time. If you're just waiting for the perfect moment, that will never come. So you really need to, if you've decided, then just get on with it. Don't sit on the fence, because this is your opportunity. If Gloria and Solomon can do it, then definitely we can do it too, and don't waste your time again on sending out these letters and building these expensive websites and all that. None of my mentees, I never ever say do these type of things, because what a waste, and what a waste of time, and what a waste of energy, and what a waste of energy, time, and focus as well. So if you know exactly what you need to do in order to get your first deal, I always say stay focused, and that's exactly what Gloria and that's exactly what Solomon did. Hi Nikla. Hi Johnny, thank you for coming on board to give me company. Yeah. So definitely I would say don't waste your time. None of my mentees actually wasted their money, their energy on sending out these letters and all that, because you are just using strategies which are completely outdated. People don't really need to follow these strategies because they're not really that effective, so don't waste your time. Now look at, all the mentees that I have here. They are getting their deals within a month, within a couple of weeks, within a week, within 10 days. And I'm posting results every week here in this group, and I'm posting results everywhere. And these are live examples. These are just normal people like us, So if they can all do it, we can do it as well. So if you have this mission where you want to start your rent to rent, but maybe you are just doing things the traditional way, do not waste your money and your energy. Do things that actually work. Do things that are actually effective, because I have tried and I've tested it with so many people in my group, and none of them have wasted their money on sending out letters, and none of them have wasted money on building these expensive websites and all that, because it doesn't work. What works is just, you need to concentrate on motivated people, and that's exactly what my mentees are doing. That's exactly what Gloria is doing, and that's exactly what Solomon did as well. So, we just need to change our strategies, our ways to get our deals, and we just need to work with it. And exactly, I wish somebody had told me these things. I mean, I know I learned hard way, but definitely, there are better ways. You don't need to make your life so difficult and so complicated. So I would say look for, ways to get your deals that actually, that the strategies that actually work, strategies that are actually effective. And only deal with people who are actually looking for service, looking for help from people like us, from rent to renters, because not everybody will appreciate our service. I always say, and I think the problem is when we're sending out these letters and when we are building website, and we're just making our own life more complicated and more, everything, it becomes very long and very lengthy. So I would say look for ways to start quick, because stay focused. If that's what you are looking to do, definitely I would say stay focused. Definitely it's doable. Everybody, in my group, this is how they are achieving their goals. They are getting their deals. So, if you need any help, any support, reach out to me. Reach out to me. I'll tell you how it should be done, because it really breaks my heart when I see people spending, thousands of pounds, on doing different things, and even building your websites. I mean, I've done all that and it didn't work. Nothing worked. It's just wasting money on websites and, sending out these letters and all that. These type of outdated strategies do not work. So don't waste your hard-earned money, your energy on all these outdated stuff. Yeah. So thank you. Thank you. Yes, thanks everybody for coming on live. Hi Rajesh. Another very thank you. Yes, thank you Rajesh, that's very kind of you. Yeah, definitely. And again, massive shout out to my mentees, Gloria and Solomon. I am so proud of them. It just makes me feel like proud mama. It's a proud mama moment for me. Thanks Shalina. Honestly, I get very excited. I get very excited when people win, especially I feel that, actually things are working for my mentees, and, it's just so lovely, because you guys have earned money, you work so hard, and you need, you just need a right way to find, your deals. That's all. You're not really asking for much. Hi Shalina, thank you so much. Hi Natasha, yes, and Jack. Hi Jack. Yeah, thank you. Let's just all congratulate our Gloria and our and Solomon. Yeah, Matt, you are saying I spend my time, money and energy on letters. What should I do differently? Please, Matt, don't do it. Do not do it. If you want to listen to me, it does not work. I've lived through this. Do not waste your money on sending out letters, because 80 to 90% of these landlords don't even need, and they don't even appreciate how much. It's not cheap and it's not free. Paper, ink, your time, it costs money. You need to have deals. You need to have deals. So what you really need to look for, you need to look for motivated people. Honestly, you really just need to concentrate on people. You need to find those deals where there are signs that these people need help. I mean, I can only tell you so much here, because this is just a quick live I'm making, but definitely I would say, I mean, I've done loads and loads of free videos in this group as well. So please feel free to look through my videos. I have given loads and loads of tips here, how to, just target people who are looking for help, because not every landlord is rich. Not every landlord is, not every landlord is technically equipped. Not every landlord knows how to and where to find their tenants. So thank you, Shirley Ann. Thank you. So there are landlords who are in desperate need of help. So definitely I would say, Matt, target those type of landlords. Look out for agencies who are happy to help and happy to work with you. Don't waste your money, don't waste your energy, and do not waste your time, because just when you're sending out these letters, we think that's it. This should just solve everything. But if you think about it, thank you for your love hearts, Shirley, and I needed them today because, I felt a little bit down this morning. But yeah, this really cheered me up. But yeah, definitely, Matt, look for people, look for agencies who are keen to work with you, rather than, you're going after people at the moment. You're just simply sending out letters where 80 to 90% of these landlords don't even need our service. So what we really need to do, we need to just target those 10%, just those 10%, and that's all, and you will get your success much, much faster. My Shirley Ann got her first deal within 2 weeks. Shirley Ann is here, and many mentees, Marie and oh my God, Pauline, and now we've got Gloria and we've got Solomon. They got deal within just over a month, So these things are possible. You just need to be very, very focused. You just need to look for, right type of agencies and right type of landlords, but don't waste your money. That's all I can say, because you think that by you just sending out letters will solve everything. It doesn't, because even after your 100 or 200 letters, you're going to get 2 replies, and think about your negotiation starts from that point onwards, so it's not end of the story, it's actually beginning of your struggle. Sorry to put you off, or I'm not trying to put you off, sorry, but I'm only telling the I'm just telling you telling you exactly how it works. So I am just very proud of you. Oh, thank you, Shirley Ann, thank you. Yes, that's so beautiful. Yeah, that's what I say to everybody in my group as well. I'm just a call away, That's how I work with my mentees, We are just a big family. No, great. Thank you. You're welcome, Matt. Yeah, please put your energy, your time, your focus into doing things that actually are going to get you deals. Do not ever, don't go looking everywhere, because you'll be like a headless chicken. Exactly. The problem is people, or these academies, or I don't want to pick on anybody, but the problem is whatever we are being told, that information is very outdated. When people say, oh, go get, start sending out letters, you need to get this HMO list, and then this will solve everything. It doesn't solve everything, because even after, once you get couple of people's replies, and then you try and explain to them your business model, they want their fair share. So all of a sudden, I don't know, Matt, if you've come across it, but all of a sudden you will find that these landlords, they inflate their rent as well, because they think you're trying to make money from their property. And what they will then do, they will expect you to pay even higher rent, and that's what the problem is. Thank you. Yes, no, I really appreciate so many likes and love hearts. I really appreciate. I think I needed it today. It's just one of those days you feel a little bit down. Yeah. Thank you, Arjun. Thank you. Thanks, Shirley Ann. Thank you. It really cheered me up. Thank you. And yes, once again, massive congratulations to Gloria from all of us, from Shirley Ann, from Natasha, from Jack, from all of us, from all my family. Yeah, everybody, whoever is part of my group, everybody, honestly, and Matt as well. You just concentrate, and I'm sure you will get there. You will get there, but just focus on people, targeting people who are actually looking for your service, not on people who are not really looking. And what will happen, either your letters will end up in their bin, or if they ring you, they will just ask you very harsh questions, and you don't really want all that. You really want to help them, and you want this to be a win-win situation, for you, and for you as well as for them. You're just trying to help, so look out for people who are actually looking for help. Do not waste your money on sending out these letters, because definitely we all are live examples. That these strategies, I never ever tell anybody to do that. I never tell, because I know how hard it is. Suppose finding these landlords is the difficult part. We'll do some research. No, there are signs. When you see there are certain properties, people are there. People are looking for help. So depending upon, where you are based, definitely there are, I think, Matt, if I'm not wrong, I think, did you ask me that? I think I have definitely made a video in the group as well, free video. So feel free, if you scroll down in this particular group, you will find a video where, I have given loads and loads of tips. But I'm not going to say come and join my mentorship, but if you fancy, if you want to win, if you want to get your deal without any struggle, then do come and join, and I'll teach you all the secrets, everything. Thank you, Rajesh. That means a lot to me. Thank you. I'm truly humbled. Thank you so much. It really means a lot to me. Okay, and once again, many congratulations to my Gloria and my Solomon. More than anything else, I'm just super proud of them. Really, yay! Yes. Thank you. Thanks, everybody. Thank you for your love heart, and thank you for cheering me. I needed this today. I did need this today. Thank you. Really means a lot to me. Reach out, guys. If you need help, reach out. I am there to help. I don't know how long I will help for, but while I'm there, make use of me. That's all I can say. Okay, take care then, and enjoy rest of your Sunday. Take care. Bye-bye.